This mod improves GTA 4 by upgrading textures and high resolution buildings, characters, and enhanced visual effects. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select the files tab and select manual download option and select the slow download option and it will start downloading. After download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Now just close stuff here and right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing any mods, back up your GTA 4 game folder and then open this Barcaco graphics mod. Just end of this PC folder inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Let's close stuff here and launch the game. I will add a before and after comparison. You can easily compare the textures. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.